invited me to come here or such places is the basic commitment of the Constitution of India. Who is supreme? The question. As a lawyer, I am solicitor of the High Court of Kerala. When I had occasion to go through the various provisions of Constitution, his mandate is that, his declaration is that the people are supreme. Ministers, governor, MLAs, because we are all serving you. We are bound to serve you. And for that purpose, of course, Rajabhavan stood in isolation according to me. In Mizoram, a land of mountains, I travelled throughout the mountain areas there. And I think that people, ordinary people, dedicated people are good at heart. They are not getting their due share. Gandhiji in 1947, of course, Goa in 1961 got freedom. When India got freedom in 1947, the chief architect of our freedom struggle, Mahatma Gandhiji, everybody was celebrating it in Delhi in a happy mood. Was away 2000 kilometers away from Delhi in the villages, and he declared that the village people, they are the Atma of this country. A real development is from the village people. So India lives in villages, what was the declaration. And that is why he was working on that particular day also among the Bengal village people, and declared that the last person in the queue for development is getting minimum things. Then only my freedom will be the real freedom. That was declared by our father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Of course, I am very happy to say that one Govan, once upon a time he was a major leader here, now occupying the position of Kerala governor in my state at Trivandrum, and I am a person from Kerala holding the post of governor here. Arlekar is the governor of Kerala now. When he visited our Rajbhavan about 3 years back, while he was releasing one of the books written by me, he told the entire nation that Goa Rajbhavan is not a Rajbhavan as such, but it is a Lok Bhavan. Now everywhere, wherever I am going, I have been introduced as this Rajbhavan, not Lok Bhavan's representative. That changed because of the grace of God. I had occasion to do something here. And the details of 3 years scheme. Anyway, during the last 6 months, I was not traveling much. And today I am starting again, going to the institutions like this, serving the God they are doing. They dedicated their entire life for God. And how you can realize God? Through service to the people. And that is why sister narrated what was her experience in Mumbai. Mumbai, such institutions are more now. Throughout India, we can see more. But in Goa also, per capita income wise, Mr. Loboji, the Goa is the richest state in India. Per capita income wise, it is in the top. So we got so many facilities. We are enjoying, while enjoying the same, to share it with the needy people, poor people. And that is why Rajbhavan, normally coming to Rajbhavan, only former minister can come, MLA can come, or such a type of people can come. So we are changing that. All of you can come to Raj Bhavan only for the purpose of our heart-to-heart relationship. Other things you can approach your efficient MLAs. Both are very, very smart MLAs, I know. And son also, I now told father and mother that whenever I am coming to Parra, in my mind, Daniel is there, then only these two people are there. So do work. For a generation she will do work, and for that purpose today I told our former secretary and of course present secretary Rao is also here, and that our other officials are also there. I told them again we can, so I am having so many literary and other programs throughout India. But I told them at least 1 or 2 days in a week we can go and meet people, like serving people like that. And today morning, today 2 hours back, we were in Madhur Chaya and Mapsa, and second is this. So let us have a good starting again. And whenever I will continue as the governor, I want to serve the people, merely giving some amount. He told us 6 crore rupees given. As far as possible, we are going to the doorsteps of the needy people and giving our help. Not they are coming before the governor and waiting there in the queue. That is not the system. And MLAs are, whether it is ruling party MLAs or opposition MLAs, whatever may be, whatever list they are giving, they are working among the people who needs help within only limited fund for the Raj Bhavan.
Son, this is my 18th year, 3 terms in the panchayat, and now this is the 3rd year as a MLA. Never ever केन्नाच आमी गव्हर्नराक गांवांनी येयल्ले केन्नाच पळोवंक ना. सारके तुमी सांगात केन्ना तरी येयल्यात गव्हर्नर गांवांनी येयल्यात. First time we are blessed with a governor with a conscience. I think last year तेणे गांवांनी गेलो. He visited every village of Goa and he has a little fund. कितें पयशे आहा तेका he gave to the really needy people of Goa, to those who are suffering from kidney ailments, dialysis करताली ती, आणि cancer patients. आणि अजूनही हांव केन्ना केन्ना letter I still make some appeals to him, you know. And first time I've seen a governor coming to a village and distributing those checks to our needy people in all the villages of Goa. Besides that, he visited all the constituencies and visited our holy places of historical importance. हो पयले पावटी हांवें परते म्हणटा पयले पावटी गव्हर्नराचें काम कितें तें एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव. आमची असेंब्ली सेशन आसता तेन्ना गव्हर्नर स्पीच दिवपाची, तितलेंच तें गव्हर्नराच्या पॅलेसीन रावपाचें. बट हियर इज वन, वी गोवन्स आर ब्लेस्ड टू हॅव अ गव्हर्नर ऑफ कॉन्शियन्स.
आमचे गोंय आनी केरला जो सराचो गांव हे रिझेंबल जाता. हे आमी सदांच म्हणटा हिंगासून केरला वचत जाल्यार आमचे गोंया भाशेनूच आहा. ग्रीनरी ऑल अराउंड, हिल्स, दे हॅव फिल्ड्स, वॉटर, रिवर्स एंड द बीच. थिंगासुरले लोक आनी हिंगासुरले लोक सारके शांतिकायेचे. They all love each other. Today we have a very simple, humble person who became the governor of Goa. Pillai ji came to Goa, understood Goa, Goans, and he broke the records of all the other past governors. He said, I will take the governor's palace to the doorsteps of the people. And this is what His Excellency has delivered and done to the people of Goa. Has spoken about he going to all the villages, giving checks to the needy, people suffering from cancer, whoever's kidney ailments, for dialysis and other required medication, that is small checks were given to them. आता तो पोत्तून अनेकदा भायर सरला. जितके अनाथ आश्रम आहा, होम फॉर द होमलेस, मदर ट्रिजा रोजीस असले आनी कितलेशेच आहा गोंयांत. तांकां कितें तरी गरज आसतली आनी तेजो डिस्क्रिशनरी पावर जो आहा, जो तो चॅक सँक्शन करूंक सोदता, हिंगासर आमच्या पोर्रान येवन 1 लाखाची चॅक तो आयज तांकां दिवपाक येयल्लो आहा. आनी तेणे ह्या संस्थेक आपल्या ऑफिसान आपोवंक ना, आपल्या ऑफिसान आपोवन दिवंक जाताली. तो खुद घेवन तो आपलो मोग दाखोवपा खातीर आपूण खालतो जावन, आपूण सकयलो मनीस जावन, आमचे भाशेंतलो एक सादारण मनीस जावन तो थिंगासून पालासीनसून आमच्या विलेजीन येयलो, आमच्या क्रिस्टोबल ट्रस्टान येयलो आनी भुरग्यांक मेळलो, इंटरॅक्ट केलें, अंडरस्टँड केलें तुमी शिकता वा शिकना, बरें स्कुलान आहा, सगळें तेणें आयकोन घेतलें आनी तो हे बरें काम करपा खातीर हिंगा विलेजीन येयलो. तशेंच तो म्हापसा एक संस्थेन गेल्लो, तसोच आनीक खूंय तेजे प्रोग्राम आहा फुडें थिंगा वयतलो.
Distributing it for cancer and dialysis patients and to several other institutions. I just want to say that till now, 3.5 years, he has given away 6.21 crores to all these institutions and cancer and dialysis patients. And today he is going to hand over a check of 1 lakh to this institution. So I would request Sister Victoria and Sister Vijaya to please come forward and accept this check.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.